Dominic. Just going to show you some back-end editing tricks and tools on how to update the website. So if you go to the credentials that I sent you, you'll see that there is a login link, which will bring you to this screen. Once here, you will just go ahead and log in. So I'm just going to do that myself. And I apologize in advance. It seems like everyone in my neighborhood is out right now, so if you hear noises, I apologize. Okay, so here is the back end of the website. This is WordPress dashboard, pretty basic. There's a lot of different elements back here. You'll mainly just be using the pages. There's two ways to access the pages. I'll show you how. One way is to just hover over and click all pages. You'll see all your pages right here. Once in there, you can just click on Edit with Elementor. I'm going to show you how to do in the front end. That's kind of more how I recommend looking at it. So you'll see up here, when you hover over your website's name, just click on Visit Site. And now since you're logged in, you'll see that this black bar is up here. The whole time you're logged in, it will be visible. So again, you can hover and go back to the dashboard. You can also customize the website if you want to change certain things like the logo, fonts, whatnot. That's an option. But what you really want in here is this option here. It says Edit with Elementor. So we're just going to click on that. So then you can edit the, this is the home page in a front end view. Since I'm recording, it's a little bit slower than usual. Okay, so now once we're here, you'll see you'll have editing options. So everything kind of lights up. So say you wanted to change this copy right here, you'll see that this option up here with the pencil pen option, if you right click on that, you'll see you can edit the heading, you can duplicate it, delete. I always suggest if you want to create something similar, always duplicate as opposed to recreating. So you also see when you click on this, your editing options open on the left side. So you'll see here is what the copy says, where you can go in and change it. You can change the alignment. You can also change the style. So say you wanted to change the color, you can go in here and do that. Change the font size, the actual font, anything like that gets done in there. If say you wanted to change the background image, so we just click on the background section, it's called. So I'm just right up here, just going to right click and click Edit Section. Once I do that, you'll see the editing options open on the left side for the section details. You can change the width, all that good stuff. But say you want to change the image, let's click on Style. And this is a video in the background, so you'll have to choose which image. So we're just going to click on the images. It's going to open up a library or gallery. Okay, once you're in here, you can, you know, rearrange them if you wanted to. I think I might have it on random right now, but, you know, if you wanted to rearrange them, or if you wanted to add to the gallery, if you want to add a new image, just click on Add to Gallery. So at this point, you have two options. You can upload an existing image. So every image I've uploaded to the website to date is in here. So if you wanted to reference another one, or if you have a new photo, you just go to this tab, click on Upload Files, select Files, which then will bring you to the files on your computer. Select whatever you want, and then the Add to Gallery button will be lit up, and just click on Add to Gallery. Once you're in the gallery, you can remove one of these if you wanted to, when you add a new one, whatnot, but you can edit them there. And just click on Insert Gallery when you're done. If you have any other changes in here, that's probably what you'd just be changing is the image itself. But then as you scroll down, you'll see the other parts of the page. So say you want to change this heading, or say you want to make another heading. So what I suggest doing is duplicating it. So it keeps the formatting. So we'll just right click on this and hit duplicate. And we'll just say, you know, join us, something of that sort. So then it just goes right to the top, and again, it keeps that same format, and it's just looks nice. So we're just gonna, actually, I will show you down here. Another tool is the history tool. So we want to get rid of this join us. If you click on one of these options, so this is all the stuff you've done on the page. So we're going to click on this because that was reverting us back to where we were. And now we're back to square one where we started. So that's a nice little function. So if you do something by accident or whatnot, you can always revert back. Then another thing to note is that everything is click and drag. So say you wanted to get involved to go on top of this other one, that can go there. Say you wanted to go to the tippity top, everything is click and drag. So you just click and drag it down. Say you want to move this column over, you just click on the column at the top, click, drag, and there it is. The form will come up. But so let's go back to the history tool because we don't want to make any changes. Let's go back to the beginning. Again, same thing with this. Change your image. Just click on the image. You'll see the image come up over here. And you can click on that. And then you can go to your media file, upload, use an existing file or upload a new one. Say you wanted to link somewhere, you can create a custom URL, so you just place the link right in there. Same thing with the buttons. Say you want to change the links, you can just change them right in here when you click on them. They're right there. Changing the gallery, it's just right click, edit image layout. So you'll see this all set up as individual. There's an image there, it's just loading. But you would just change that. So again, click on the image, it'll bring you to the media file, select what file you want to replace it with, and that's about that. So you would just hit update at the end. Whenever you made any changes, it'll turn green. And once you click update, the changes will go live right away. So let's go back to the live page. To do that, the easiest way to do it and best practice is at the top left. Click on these three lines and click on View Page. All right, so now we're on the home page. So like I said, the easiest way to do this is to go through the different pages. Say you want to update the contact page. So we'll just go to the contact page. Again, this black bar is still up here. We're just going to click on Edit with Elementor. This is the only way you should be editing the pages, or anything really, is the Edit with Elementor option. Anything else will mess up the formatting of the page. So always edit with Elementor. So again, you're in here. Say you want to update the image in the background. Right click, edit section, go to style, and just update. This is just a single image, so you can update it here. Or scroll down. Say you want to update one of these sections. We'll just again right click on it, edit icon box. So you would just change either the address or the phone number. You can change the icon. If you click on the icon, there's hundreds of icons in here to change it to. Whatever you'd like. Again, change the button. Options here. Go to style if you wanted to change the colors. Here's your form. Just right click on that, edit form. Say you wanted to add another field option. So say you wanted to ask them a question. So just click on add item. And you can create either a checkbox, a radio, or some kind of, there should be a drop-down option, you know, for users to fill out more information on there. We're just going to close this. And again, these are all click to drag. So say you wanted the name and email to be swapped, you can do that easily. See if they got changed. Let's change that back. That's pretty much it for that page. So let's make sure no changes were made. Go to the, and now let's view page. So another thing to note, once you hover over this edit with Elementor, it also gives you the options for header, footer, and sticky header. So if you want to update the header, update this image for whatever reason, just click on Edit Header. The sticky header is this. So as you scroll down, this is what sticks to the top of the page. This is your sticky header. So say you want to update something here, you would click on Sticky Header. If you want to update your footer down here, edit the footer. So I don't know if there would be anything else that you need to update. You know, I'm here if anything comes up and need help doing, and I don't see this donation working, so I'm going to look into that while I'm in here. Please take a look at this video, and you know, I'm always here if you need help. Reach out. I'm happy to jump on a Zoom and we can look at something together. If not, don't be afraid to update the website. It is backed up every day, so if there is a major issue, just let me know and we can restore it. But otherwise, happy editing. Thank you.